Hello everyone, I want to warmly welcome you back to this channel. My name still remains Aleman Bob Tibio, and today we are going to learn about introduction to search strategy. As you can see on the screen, an introduction to search strategy explains how to plan and carry out an effective search for information, especially in academic work, research, or problem solving. But by definition, a search strategy is a planned method used to find relevant and reliable information from sources such as books, journal, and the internet. So it also involves deciding what the information you need, choosing where to search, and using specific techniques to get accurate information. Let's look at the importance of such strategies. One of its important is it saves time. The second, find accurate and relevant information and avoid too much or irrelevant information. And lastly, such strategy improve the quality of your research or assignment given. It may be either in school or in other institutions. So let's look at the steps involved in developing such strategies. The first step is you have to define the topic. Clearly understand what you are looking for. For example, I'm looking for effect of climate change on agriculture. That's when I'm defining the topic. B is saying you have to identify the keywords, because my topic was effects of climate change on agriculture. So my keywords the climate change, is agriculture, and effects. And the C, you have to search for your techniques. Then ask, how are you searching your technique? What are you going to use to search the techniques? The first is I'll use Boolean operators. This helps to refine your research. What are those? You can see Boolean operators. Let's come back to it. This helps to refine your research and narrow the result. For example, you can see climate and agriculture, or you can use, or also it broadens results. For example, farming or agriculture, as you can see on screen. The last is not. This excludes information. For example, agriculture, not livestock, you can see. Let's go to, it's also necessary for us to see. 2 is phrase searching. Can use quotations, quotation marks. Let me just say like that, climate change effect, as you can see there. The third is use truncations, use of symbols like asterisk, you can see there, agriculture or agricultural. So you have to go to choose information sources. You have to select where to search, and you can use books, academic journals, website, databases, for example Google Scholar. To evaluate sources, you have to check accuracy, author credibility, date of publication, relevance to your topic. Types of a simple search strategy. You get search engine, for example Google, academic databases, library catalogs. So there are also examples of a simple strategies you have to look at. And is a topic, you have to get the topic. For example, our topic is impact of drought on crop production Uganda, as it has been quoted. Now what's your search plan? So the search plan is keywords, to get those keywords. What are those keywords in the topic? It's drought, crop production, and Uganda. These are my keywords. You have to look for your search string also. You can see search string, drought and crop production, and Uganda you can see. So in conclusion, a search strategy is essential for effective research. It ensures you find reliable, relevant, and high quality information in systematic way. So this is all about introduction to a search strategy. My name still remains Alema Bob Tibia. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel. We shall meet more about other things like Boolean operators, among others. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your time.